Most commercial cleaning proposals are not rejected because of price. They lose because they feel interchangeable. The same template, the same wording, the same recycled phrases about "we provide high quality service." A facility manager reads through it and thinks, "Great, so does everybody else." In commercial cleaning, a proposal is not just paperwork. It is the moment where you either position yourself as another commodity vendor or as the obvious professional choice. Too many cleaning companies treat proposals like simple quotes. They assume the client is only comparing numbers, but that is rarely the full picture. A proposal is really a decision-making tool. If the decision came down to price alone, the lowest bidder would always win the contract. But many successful cleaning companies are not the cheapest option. In some cases, they are the highest bidder in the room. The difference is that their proposal explains why their price delivers the best overall value. At OctoCleanMedia.com, we regularly discuss what commercial cleaning companies can do to build stronger relationships with prospective clients, improve their operations, and secure more recurring contracts. We'd love for you to join the conversation and become part of that community. We also provide practical templates and resources designed to help put your company in the stronger position to win business with confidence. After more than 30 years in the industry, we believe in sharing real-world experience openly and honestly. We have nothing to hide and everything to give. A strong proposal should accomplish three things. First, it should prove that you understand the facility in detail. Second, it should explain the systems and standards behind your operation. And third, it should clearly define the scope of work so there is no confusion about what will actually be done. If your proposal does not accomplish those three things, then it is not really a proposal at all. It is just another quote sitting in a stack with everyone else's. The presentation itself matters more than most cleaners realize. The cover page should immediately feel intentional and professional. It should include your company name, logo, the facility name, the date, and a simple positioning statement that reinforces professionalism and consistency. The goal is not to overwhelm the client with flashy graphics or over-designed branding. The goal is to appear organized, confident, and credible from the very first page. One of the most important sections in the entire proposal is the part where you demonstrate that you understand the client's facility. This is where most competitors lose without even realizing it. When a proposal specifically addresses the type of environment being serviced, the operational needs of the building, the high traffic areas, restroom usage, security considerations, or scheduling expectations, the client immediately understands that this has not been copied and pasted from another bid. It shows attention to detail, and attention to detail is exactly what clients are looking for when hiring a cleaning company. Financial success in the commercial cleaning industry starts with investing in yourself. The businesses that grow are the ones that continually improve their training, their sales process, and operating systems. With promo code SUMMER26, you can save 20% on an annual membership to OctoClean Media. You'll gain access to live coaching calls, regularly updated courses, downloadable templates and guides, and a community of commercial cleaning professionals and proven resources designed to help you win more contracts and build a stronger business. Use promo code SUMMER26 at checkout and save 20% on your annual membership. This offer is available throughout July and August only. Visit OctoCleanMedia.com and start investing in the future of your business today. The scope of work should also be handled with clarity instead of vague promises. Many proposals fail because they use broad statements like clean restrooms or maintain common areas. Clients want specifics. They want to know what tasks are being performed daily, weekly, monthly, and periodically throughout the year. The clearer the scope becomes, the easier it is for the client to visualize the actual service being delivered. A good proposal removes any uncertainty. By the time the client finishes reading it, they should be able to say, "Yeah, that's exactly what we discussed." Another area where strong companies separate themselves is in the way they explain their systems and service standards. Most cleaning companies talk about the cleaning itself, but very few explain the structure behind the work. Clients are not just paying for someone to empty trash cans or mop floors, they are paying for reliability, communication, accountability, and consistency. This is where inspection systems, quality control procedures, staffing coverage, communication methods, and supply management becomes important. Those systems are what justify premium pricing. The cleaning may look similar on the surface, but the operational structure behind it is what creates long-term consistency. Pricing should also be presented with confidence. Too many companies become defensive the moment they discuss cost. They bury the pricing deep inside the proposal or overload the client with explanations in an attempt to justify every dollar. Strong companies do the exact opposite. They present the pricing clearly, explain what is included, and allow the professionalism of the proposal to support the value. One of the biggest mistakes in the industry is chasing contracts through survival pricing. Lowballing may help you secure a job initially, but it often creates long-term problems through poor margins, staffing issues, inconsistent service, and strained client relationships. A sustainable cleaning company cannot be built on desperation pricing. Your proposal should also briefly establish credibility through your company story. This is not the place for a long personal history or a dramatic origin story. Instead, it is an opportunity to explain how long you have been in business, the types of facilities that you currently manage, and the steps your company takes to continuously improve service quality and client relationships. Clients want reassurance that they are hiring a company with experience, structure, and stability. Design plays a much bigger role than many cleaning companies realize. Even strong operators lose opportunities because their proposals simply look unprofessional. Poor formatting, inconsistent fonts, giant walls of text, and documents that resemble invoices instead of professional presentations. They all create friction in the decision-making process. A well-designed proposal should feel clean and easy to navigate. Spacing should create breathing room. Headers should separate sections clearly, and font should remain consistent and modern. The entire document should feel organized, polished, and intentional. If a facility manager glances at your proposal for 10 seconds, the document should immediately communicate confidence instead of chaos. However, even the best proposals in the world will not close contracts on its own. This is where many cleaning companies fail. They send the proposal and disappear, hoping the client eventually responds. In reality, sending the proposal is not the finish line. It is the beginning of the decision-making process. Following up is critical. A simple message the same day or the next day, confirming that the proposal was received, keeps communication open without creating pressure. A few days later, a more thoughtful follow-up that references something specific from the walkthrough. That demonstrates expertise and attentiveness. Instead of sounding desperate, it reinforces that you understand the client's environment and operational needs. By the end of the week, direct communication becomes important. Asking whether the client is leaning toward moving forward or whether there are still unanswered questions creates clarity and momentum. Many deals are not lost because the proposal is weak. They are lost because the company failed to remain present during the decision-making process. The bigger picture is this. Better proposals alone do not create more wins. Better positioning combined with consistent follow-up creates more wins. The proposal is simply the tool that carries the message. It does not replace the sales process itself. In commercial cleaning, the companies that consistently win contracts are rarely the cheapest companies or the ones with the flashiest presentations. They are the companies that make the client feel understood, remove uncertainty throughout the process, and remain engaged after the proposal has been delivered. In this industry, deals rarely die from direct rejection. More often than not, they die from silence, hesitation, and uncertainty. If you found this discussion helpful, subscribe to the channel and share this with someone else in the cleaning industry. You can also visit OctoClean Media, where we regularly discuss sales, operations, marketing, and growth strategies for commercial cleaning companies. Until next time, we'll see you later.